Hi guys, Mudge here from Golden Motor. We get a lot of inquiries from customers wanting to know which version of the Magic Pi they have. So this video is going to be about identifying that. So let's get right into it. The first up is the Magic Pi 3 controller. As you can see, there's a silver plate on the bottom with epoxy. You can see there's the phase wires, which are push-in spade plugs, and the hall sensor plug is a 6-pin black plug. On the flip side, there's the controller is silver with a black indentation. Going down the wiring harness, there's a wiring housing, which is cylindrical and it's smooth to the touch. If you go down to where the wire harness hooks up, it's a 8-pin female plug. Moving on to the Magic Pi 4 controller. On the underside, it's just straight epoxy. There's no silver plate on this one. For the phase wires, it's a screw-in type of plug instead of the push spade plug. And the hall sensor plug is a smaller white plug. On the flip, the face of the controller is all silver. Going down to the housing, it's more of a squarish shape than the cylindrical on the Magic Pi 3, and it has ridges on it. And as far as the plug is concerned, it's a 10-pin male plug. You can see the pins in there. Now moving on to the Magic Pi 5, which is our current model. It's the same. It's epoxy on the bottom with the hall sensor being the black plug from the Magic Pi 3, and the phase plug being the same as the Magic Pi 3 as well, which is the spade push-in plugs. And as the face is the same as the Magic Pi 3 as well, with the black indentations. As far as the housing is concerned, it's the squarish housing with the ridges the same as the Magic Pi 4, and the plugs is the same as the Magic Pi 4 as well. It's a 10-pin male plugs. The difference between the Magic Pi 4 and 5 are the Magic Pi 5 has Bluetooth capabilities. You can plug in a Bluetooth dongle and use your phone as a display. So if you have a Magic Pi 4, you can easily just switch the controller and make it a Magic Pi 5. That's the major difference between the Magic Pi 4 and 5, and they're compatible. So here are the three controllers right next to each other of the Magic Pi 3, 4, and 5, and you can see the differences between them. And also with the housing, you can see right next to each other, they're completely different. The Magic Pi 3 is more cylindrical, and the 4 and 5 is more rectangular-ish with the ridges. Here you can see the Magic Pi 3 and the Magic Pi 4/5 wiring harness. The version 4 and 5 wiring harness is exactly the same. The Magic Pi 3 wiring harness has a housing which plugs right into the plugs for the throttle and the two brakes. For the Magic Pi 4 and 5, from the housing, it splits off into 4 separate plugs, where you would plug in the throttle and the two brake levers. Hope this video helps. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for future videos. See you guys next time.